Feel that? That's the weight of trillions of bytes of information at your fingertips.
Well, you are gonna have to lay low here for a while.
Uh-huh. What's this all about?
I don't know. She's somehow connected to an old job. Someone doesn't want me to find out why.
I'm happy you're well. You want to tell me what happened?
Corporate espionage, crooked cops, big explosions, honey. And you are?
This is Clara. Clara, this is T-Bone, otherwise known as the legendary Raymond Kenny.
Really?
We can't all be pretty in this game, honey.
No, I mean, wow. I'm a fan.
Oh. Enchanté.
All right.
What happened?
Well, Damien was there.
What? How did he know?
I didn't know he was working on a deal of his own. Something with Bloom.
You never told me that.
Hang on.
No, hang on nothing. You better tell me what you're messed up in, all of it, or I ain't decrypting jack shit. Now, Damien and Bloom.
You don't need to worry about that.
I'll decide what I need to worry about, Aiden.
You listen to me. I want a name in that server. Now, our deal is I bring you the information, you decrypt it.
Well, then you got a big problem.
Hey, we need your expertise. The server is using your encryption. We need Raymond Kenny.
Are you sure you're gonna be able to get this data without getting caught?
No.
Yeah. Finally, some honesty. Well, you better get going then, man. Claire here can fill me in on a few things.
Thanks. Well, I got my little band of misfits. Clara's on monitors, T-Bone's helping me breach Iraq's fortress, and Jordy... Well, Jordy does what Jordy does. It's time to see what Iraq's been protecting.
Where the hell have you been?
Pawnee.
Oh, my condolences.
I'm going inside Rossi Fremont. I need your help.
You don't pay me enough. I'm not entering that death trap.
You don't have to. I need you behind the scope.
Again? It's more reasonable. Hey, you won't guess where I am.
You're absolutely right.
I'm watering your plant.
Maurice, put him on.
What? What? Who is this?
If you don't talk, you don't leave.
Oh no. Come on, please. I got no name. You don't understand. I'm trapped. I can't stop. I can't stop seeing that little girl. She's just looking at me.
Shut up. I said, shut up.
All right, Weepy, back to your corner. Jesus, Pierce, what did you say to him?
You'll meet me there. Rossi Fremont.
Of course. I'll be in place.
What are you gonna just stand here and take this shit? I mean...
No bedbug this time. I'm going in alone. Seen the layout, I know the room. Iraq's in there somewhere, and it won't take him long to realize I'm coming. He knows what I'm after now. This time I leave with everything. I'm a Rossi Fremont.
Yeah, I see you. Are you gonna tell me why we're fucking with these guys?
Do you care?
Not really.
There's a computer inside that...
No, it's okay. I really don't care. I was just trying to make some small talk.
Clara, can you get this door open?
We're working on it. T-Bone's got an idea.
Yeah. They're running my encryption on the security doors. It's kind of hard to finagle remotely, but your Wonder Girl here? She just had a damn good idea. If you can cut power to that door, it's gonna default to the base code for about half a second.
And you know the base code.
Yep. I wrote the damn algorithm. Let's give it a whirl.
It's open.
You can take it first. Be safe, Aiden.
I think I didn't know you were coming. Think you got skills? I think you know your way around the network. Well, so do I.
No, man. Just do me a favor, man. Just make it quick. Fuck, you coming over? Get some cover! Yo, he got hit!
Problem with the world today, no manners, right?
Up in my court. We play the game from a higher level. Police think we're watching the streets. Shit, we're watching the whole damn city. The things we find. That's currency we'll cash in when we need it. I've got dirt on everybody. Quinn, the police. Just watch. I'll get the man too.
Don't let up!
Hey, motherfucker!
Shit, find some cover! You a rat?
That motherfucker's around here, man. He has to be. Hey! What the fuck is going on?
Get behind some, cuz! You want a suicide mission, soldier?
Yo, this shit is fucked.
If I catch a bullet, if somebody finds this, it makes sure everybody.
You're gonna get lost in here forever. You ready for that, soldier?
Shit, nothing but now. Well,
Hey, you really gonna make me
watch the nose. I did that by myself.
You was right there.
The fuck did you ever do?
Oh, I get it. Damn, where this dude go?
Damn it! He killed! Watch it, cuz! He was right there! Hit his side! Lost him!
Hey, bitch.
Wait, he was right over there,
all
cuz!
day?
I'll check that one. Just saw him there. Gotta be close. Oh! Damn! There he is! No way out. There's nothing that can save you now, Cracker.
Hey, you, stop right there!
Yeah, don't just stand there. Get some cover.
Ah! Oh!
My boy's hit. Oh!
Okay, Clara, I'm in. You should start receiving everything now.
I see it. It's all coming in. T-Bone's going to start decrypting it as soon as we have it all. That's a pretty big download.
All of this is Iraq's leverage. It's blackmail. He's been collecting this for a long time.
There. That's everything. Hurry back, Aiden. T-Bone's decrypting it now.
I'm on my way.
Oh, man, look at you. Crispin? No, wait. Pierce, right? This all you, Pierce? The auction?
Iraq!
You the shit raining down on me? Cause I got a lot of shit raining down on me. Stop right there. I'm not about to let you get away with this. You've been fucking me up, snooping in my shit, right? Interfering with my plans.
Iraq, we're all dead!
It was you. You were the other hacker in the Merlot.
That there's my currency. My masterpiece. And you trying to take that from me.
You took something far more valuable from me.
I took from you. Motherfucker, I don't even know you.
Oh, so you want to fuck with my family, huh? Break into my house? Trying to steal my shit, huh? Do you know who I am? Do you?
A wannabe king in a tiny castle.
Then you're wrong!
And you're Lucky Quinn's lapdog.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Yeah, I see your type before, man. Self-righteous motherfuckers. I tried your kind of people off the battlefield. Now, I'll make sure you get back to your family. Maybe one piece at a time, huh? And when I'm done, they're next on my list. What, you got a wife and kids? Brothers and sisters? Yeah, you hurt mine, I hurt yours, bitch. It ain't nobody gonna come save your punk ass out here either. Your sniper's locked out. And the police won't fuck with me. Hell, I am the police out here. You go down alone, man. Kill that motherfucker.
You know how to use that motherfucker.
Don't bring war to a soldier, boy. You think we're friends? What, having a chat?
I'll take every file you have. All of your hard work, gone.
The Merlot's a slick hotel. Bunch of rich white motherfuckers just waiting to pay up. You take it from me, eventually someone's gonna take it from you too. The secrets get passed around. And all sorts of people are going to die for the secrets. That's the curse of power. This is not us making a deal. You picked the fight, Pierce. Let's play it out.
I was feel bad for you. This shit gon' hurt.
Iraq was protecting a tinderbox of blackmail. But he was after something bigger. He wanted the video from the Merlot job. He never did find it. Well, the Viceroys are gonna regroup, and a new leader will step up. And Bedbug? Got a chance to get out now. I hope he takes that chance.
making a lot of noise, but are you making any progress?
I know what I'm doing. I don't need you on my shoulder.
But I think you do. We've always been stronger as a team. You know that. It's not weakness to admit it. Let's face it. Without me, you wouldn't have the data. And you have it, don't you?
Yeah, all of it. I want Nikki.
My God, I was right to bring you in. You see? We did it. Now bring it to me. Directly. No one else.
Street begins and baby I...
All right, let's do this.
Hey, see this? Nice work.
There's so much, Aiden.
Huh?
Yeah, we just gotta sift through this stuff and find a name.
Yeah, well, you're in luck. Because this mess has a shitload of names. And every one of them tied to some crooked deal. Dirty cops, the club, greedy moguls, even your stand-up do-gooders.
Iraq was planning to blackmail the whole city.
Hey, what's this? Is this off the server?
Oh, hell! Somebody's trying to hack in. We'll lose everything. Shut him out. Now!
What do we do?
Follow that signal back. If we can find the source, we can kill his access. Hurry.
There. Who is he?
That's him. Default. Son of a bitch.
Who is it, Clara? He seems to know you.
I don't know.
I'm gonna hit play.
It wasn't too difficult to find them. Two men. One's a hacker, the other a fixer, as far as I could tell. Never heard of them before.
I can't explain. I wanted to tell you.
Nice work. Names, please.
Are you planning to hurt them?
When has that ever bothered you? I trust the amount is satisfactory.
Damien Brinks and Aiden Pierce.
Aiden. Someone's knocking.
Clara.
Aiden, he's trying to delete our shit. We're gonna have to shut him out fast. Aiden, come on! Gird your loins, I'm killing the power!
Aiden.
Who was it? Who ordered it?
If I knew, I'd tell you. I swear I would. I'm so sorry.
Get away from me.
Shit.
Can you trace it?
Yeah, I'm on it. Son of a bitch, come on, man. Come on! Ugh, damn it!
Where are you going?
That smartass just hit us with one hell of a virus. He copied everything we had and wiped it from our systems. He knew exactly how to shut us down. I gotta go reboot the backup tower. Without it, no default. No default, no data.
I'll go.
No. I'll go. I don't mind getting my hands dirty, man. You know what, Aiden? You're gonna have to stall Damien just a little while longer.
I can handle Damien.
I'll call you when I'm done. Good luck, amigo. Rat Boy just made it personal.
Whatever game he's playing, this default, he's putting Nikki's life at risk. You picked the wrong time to piss me off. Right now, you gotta stall Damien.
Where are you? 1 minute you call me with promises, then nothing. Not a peep?
This time, we're gonna meet. In person.
How old-fashioned. Do you have something for me?
We'll talk.
Oh, Aiden. In that case, I pick the place.
I don't have the data. Damien will know the second he sees me. Maybe I can make that work for me. He told Bloom he'd deliver what we found, including the blackmail Iraq has on them. Yeah, he's painted himself into a corner.
You didn't bring my data, I didn't bring your sister. We're so predictable.
You made a deal with Bloom.
Where did you hear that?
You have a problem, Damien. See, that deal hinges on the hard drive. What are you gonna tell them if I give you nothing?
You're forgetting something. Your sister lives or dies in a phone call.
Then kill her.
You almost had me, Aiden.
You're not thinking it through, Damien. That deal has sealed your fate. If you kill Nikki, you get nothing from me. You think Bloom is gonna give you a pass? They're gonna send fixers to hunt you down. So right now, I'm the one who decides your fate. Get my sister on the phone.
We really are partners, Aiden. Like it or not. We need each other.
Aiden?
You okay? Are you alright?
I'm scared. Please tell me that Jackson is safe.
Yeah, he's okay. Look, Nikki,
I know. Just please don't let them...
You know something, Aiden? I'm tired of you not taking me seriously. Next time I see you, if you don't have my data, she's dead.
Shit, better not hang around.
Thank God it's him.
Reports are coming
That's
in.
the vigilante from the
vigilante
news.
known as the Fox has been spotted
That's
in downtown
him, the
Chicago.
guy the cops are
Police
chasing.
are asking people to remain calm. Do not approach the suspect. He is considered armed and dangerous. Many of you are
Damn
contacting
it,
us.
Damien's hacking these billboards from somewhere.
Live feed to the scene.
There, WKZ van. Gotta shut it down.
You're making this too hard, Aiden. Don't force me to show you up.
You got nothing to show me.
Wrong again. You know those fancy tricks you do with CTOS? I've been watching and learning. Want to see what I can do?
This is when a deal with the devil gets me.
Don't let them catch you, my boy. That wouldn't be good for Sis now, would it?
Squad, this is 725 David. We need an APB on the suspect.
Run, Forrest, run!
Hey, we're looking good here. I rebooted the backup. I'll get the bunker chugging in no time.
I just talked to Nikki.
Your sister? Is she doing okay? We're gonna get her back.
I think I know how to find her. I heard a PA sound in our call, way in the background. The voice said something, a name or a place. You think you can clean the audio? Try to make out what he's saying?
Yeah, audio wizardry ain't my thing. Send me what you got. I'm sure I can do something.
Okay, I'm heading back to the bunker.
No. We got one more job. You won't believe what I found. Default's Love Shack. Let's take back what he stole from us. I'm pretty swamped.
You said you only had half a day today.
We've got Default's location. Now, we'll take back what he stole. If he sells Iraq's blackmail on the open market, this has all been for nothing. Whether it disappears or it goes public, I'll have nothing left to offer Damien.
Oh man, we hit pay dirt.
Where are you?
I got a webcammy thing here. Find a line in. See what I found. Oh man. This brother. Prototype shit I ain't never seen. I'm in love.
T-Bone, wrap it up. Forget the toys. We gotta get you out.
Sorry, princess.
Where is he?
Kid's got fixers working for him. Whatever alarms we tripped, you sent these guys running. Fuckers came pretty fast.
Just stay low. I'll get you clear.
I found something in his computer. Besides that funky prototype shit. Now where the hell did he find that? Man, if I just had 10 minutes more.
What did you find?
Huh?
His computer.
Right. A weakness. I found a weakness in there. He's carrying the data with him. Like, on his person. It's a security measure, I guess, but he ain't as secure as he'd like to think.
What are you saying? We find him, we can steal the data back?
And he won't know it.
Still be someone out there.
Thinks he can fuck with Raymond Kenny. He has no idea who he's up against.
It's weird.
Jesus. I could really do with a shot of rum.
Be careful.
Take the car and get out of here, quick.
I'll call you when I'm clear. Don't get yourself killed.
Oh, there's one more thing. When I was in that rat hole, I noticed that little shit's been fucking around inside CTOS. Yeah, he's got access. And my guess, you're target numero uno.
Ram inside! Backup is here! Right stump, catch up!
Got a guy with a gun here. Dot Connection?
Everybody in Chicago's heard of it.
Yeah, well, whoop-de-fucking-do, man. Whatever it is, it seems to be default's local haunt.
Is that all you got?
Oh, and I found a 6-gig USB stick full of lesbian porn. You want that, too?
Keep it.
Violence today, Rocky Fremont was rocked by an explosive shootout. The escalation has reached a frightening level, with gangs reportedly using military-grade weapons. Mayor Rushmore has ordered a task force to sweep the area.
Firstly, the Ambrose. Nikki and I used to catch a movie here, not just some dance club. Default must know we tripped his alarm. Yeah, he's probably expecting me.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Goddamn crazies think they own this town.
Hi, I'm Joseph DeMarco. Welcome to Dot Connection, my digital gallery made of underground art and music. I hope you will enjoy viewing, listening, and interacting. I am Default. Welcome to my party.
Damn, he's good. Look at that, he's hacked into the profiler system. He's toying with me. Go ahead, keep it up, kid.
Here. I got it.
Good? Better. It's pretty clear how this is gonna go. Get around the side. Try and get close. Wake up! He's taking us out! I'm taking fire here!
fixers. Those guys aren't cheap. Well, default's in over his head. Okay, I got him now. Just keep him in range and T-Bone will hack in.
Default's got some kind of heavy-duty scrambler running. Don't be surprised if your shit stops working. Don't try and take him out. We can't risk losing the data.
I'm losing him.
Lure him out. I'll track his signal.
Don't wait. Grab whatever data you can when I get close enough.
All right, you stay close. Just like that. I can worm into his files and he won't even know. It's coming in. Well, shit. You seen what's in this data?
I know some of it. What do you see?
It's everyone. City officials, union reps. I got phony contracts, payoffs. What in Christ? Sex logs. A lot of online blackmail. Wait a minute. We got CTOS here. This kid Iraq's been pretty busy. He's got some solid documents here. Looks like the CTOS execs used the network to rig their election. Get their boy Rushmore into office.
The corrupt Chicago mayor. That's a surprise.
I can't even tell how they rigged it. No voter fraud. They used some crazy code here. I don't know what I'm looking at. You need to get closer. A lot of secrets here. Blackmail shit, it just keeps on coming. What exactly are we looking for here?
A video. It's a woman. She's dead now, but something about that video was dangerous enough to attack me and my family.
Hey, hey, stop!
Please tell me we got it all.
As far as I can tell, whatever your nutjob buddy might want.
Harley woman, any video footage that fits?
No, man. At least not that I can see. You sure it was on Iraq's server?
But he was trying to steal it from someone. So who?
Oh no.